Hello, in this video I would like to show you how fast and easy it is to set up AREC Media Stations. To begin, you will need to have your station connected to the power supply and to a network cable. After that, you go to an explorer, in this case I am using Google Chrome, and input the IP address of the station. Then, select one language from the list of available languages. I am keeping English for this demonstration, and input your credentials, that is the username and password. Google will ask you if you want to check or keep the password. We can ignore this for now. Now, for this example, I am using the LS410 media station, which is a 4-channel media station. As you can see, there are 4 different video input options. For the first video input, I will be choosing a USB camera which is connected to the front panel of the station. To do this, we choose signal type video port, and from here we choose the ABC01 VersaCam, which is connected through USB, but it's the same process to connect any other devices through HDMI as well. Select it and click apply. Now in this example, I will also be adding 2 more cameras. These will be network cameras. And the first thing we need to do is go to the Network Device Manager. Under Network Cameras, we click Scan and give the station a few seconds to scan the network and find all the available devices. Once the station finds all the devices, the list will be showing. For this example, I will add the CIT21H, which is our infrared auto tracking camera, by inputting the username and password. Waiting a few seconds and it is done. The second camera I would add is the ATC02, which is our AI auto tracking camera, and I will be adding it through NDI. So to add NDI sources, all you have to do is click add and it is done. Go back to video inputs and add the video sources. So my camera 1, it's a network camera, the CIT21H, you can see on the list. Click apply and it is added. Now for my third camera, it's the one that I'm adding through NDI. So NDI is also a network source. Need to choose network camera and NDI ATC02. Apply. With these 3 video sources added, we can move on to the next part of this video, which is setting the recording and streaming. Under video on recording, we can choose if we want to record only the mixed video or the mixed video and each original source. That is, each one of the cameras or content that I have connected to the station. Also, we can choose the compression from one of the presets we have available or define them manually. Moving on to streaming, here we can choose the video compression for streaming individually from the recording one, in case we need to choose a lower compression to save some bandwidth. Now our media stations can do 2 streamings at the same time. I am choosing both of them to stream together with recording. That means that when the recording starts, the streaming will also start. The first streaming that I want to set up is a YouTube stream. So go to YouTube Studio and copy the stream URL, paste it on the URL field and add a /. Then go back to YouTube and copy the stream key and paste it after that /. Then click apply. For this example, I am also adding a stream on Twitch. The RTMP stream link for Twitch is this one. I paste it over here. And then on the Twitch page, under settings, stream, copy the stream key and paste it on the same field. Click apply. That's all you have to do to set up your recording and your streaming on your AREC Media Station. Now, like I mentioned, I set up the recording and streaming to work together. we can see this by going to the online director. And this is a preview of what the videos are gonna look like. Here we can also add background images and overlays and change the layouts as well. Now to start the streaming, we can do it from the web interface, or we could also be doing it through the front panel button of the station. We have more than 10 ways of controlling the station. These are just some of them. And as you can see, it says live. That means the streaming has begun. We can check this by going to our YouTube page. It is live. And on Twitch, under Stream Manager, we can see that we are also live here. So this is all that you have to do to start your recording and streaming. If you would like to know more, feel free to reach us on our website at www.a-dena.com. You can also contact us through LinkedIn and find more videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you for your time and have a good day.